Hello students, how are you? Welcome to AKsuccess. I hope all are good. Okay, so in the previous class, we completed the question number 2 of 11.2, right? Now today, we are going on question number 3rd. So in the question number 3rd, you have to say the true or false. Okay? In the question number 3rd, there is a true and false. And you have to justify your answer. Means you have to justify your answer is correct. How? Okay. So now the first part is 10 multiply 10 raised to the power 11. Okay. So you know if the base is same, then what you have to do? You have to add the powers, right? Now here the power is not given. So it means the power is 1. What? The power is 1. If you put 10 raised to the power 0, okay, because the power is not given, so according to you the power is 0, right? But if the power is 0, then it means it is equals to 1. But it is not equals to 1, it is 10. 10. So it means 10 raised to the power 1. And if the base is same, then you have to add the powers, right? So it is 10 raised to the power 12. It is LHS, right? And what is RHS here? RHS is 100 raised to the power 11. 100 raised to the power 11, right? So the LHS is 10 raised to the power 12 and the RHS is 100 raised to the power 11. So both are equal? No, both are not equal. So it means LHS and RHS are not equal. So this is false. Okay. Now the second question means the second part. The second part is 2 raised to the power 3 is greater than 5 raised to the power 2. You have to tell that it is true or false and why. Now you have to take LHS. So your LHS is 2 raised to the power 3. Or there is no need to take the LHS or RHS. What you can do here, 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to the power 3, that it is 8. Greater than 5 raised to the power 5, 5 raised to the power 2, that it is 25. So 8 is greater than 25. No, it is not greater than 25, it is less than. So it means it is also false. Okay. Now the third part. In the third part, the question is 2 raised to the power 3 multiply 3 raised to the power 2. It is equals to 6 raised to the power 5. Okay. Now prove the LHS here. So the LHS is 2 raised to the power 3. That it means 8. Multiply 3 raised to the power 2. Then it means 9. So 8 nines are 72. Now move to the RHS side. So the RHS is 6 raised to the power 5. It means 6 how many times? 5 times, right? Means like this. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 and multiply 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now when you multiply, so you got 7,776. So it means the LHS is not equals to RHS. So it is also false. Right? Now the fourth part. In the fourth part, the question is 3 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1000 raised to the power 0. I told you that if the base is any number and the power is 0, then it means it is 1, right? So now first LHS. LHS is 3 raised to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0, then it means 1. RHS 1000 raised to the power 0, then it means it is also 1. So LHS is equals to RHS and it is okay. Now the fourth question. So what is in the fourth question? You have to express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. It means you have to take only the prime numbers and the prime numbers in the exponential form. Okay. So now the question number 4 and the first part is 108 multiply 192. So first you have to prime factor of 108 and after that you have to prime factorization of 192. Now do it. So it can be divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. Again 2, 2 2s are 4 and 27. Again by 3. So 3 9s are 3 3s are and 3 times 1. Okay. Now with 192, 2 by how many times? 2 9s are 18 and 2 6s are 12. Again by 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. Again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again by 2, so how many times? 2 12s are 24, right? Again by 2, 6 are. Again by 2, 3 are. Now 3, 1 are. Okay, you have to take only the prime numbers. So the prime numbers are this one. It means you have to do the prime factorizations. Yeah. Okay. 108. 108 how many times? 108 how many times? 2. How many times? 1, 2. 2 raised to the power 2. And 3 how many times? 3 times. Means 3 raised to the power 3. Yeah. Now the next one. 192. 192 how many times? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 6 times and 3 1 time. Yes? Okay, now you have to do the multiplication of both the digits. 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 raised to the power 3 multiply 2 raised to the power 6 multiply 3 raised to the power 1. Now you know that if the base is same then you have to add the powers, right? So 2 is here and 6 is here. So add the powers. So it is 8 multiply 3. Now the base is 3 and the powers is 3 and 4. So it is 4. So the answer is 2 raised to the power 8 and 3 raised to the power 4. Okay. Now I move to the second question. And third and fourth part is for the homework. Okay. It means you have to do by yourself. And if you have any problem, then please you can ask. Okay. Without any hesitation. You can drop a comment. After that, I will explain you if you have any problem. Okay, in the previous exercise means 11.1 on the question of 11, question 2 of the 11.2, you don't have any problem because you didn't reply or didn't comment any means any question. Okay, now I move to the question. So you have to do the prime factorization of 270. So it is 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6 and 2 fives are 10. Now it can't be divided by 2, it can be divided by 3. So 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. Now again by 3, 3 15s are. Again by 3, 5s are. Again by 5. Okay, so what is the answer of it? 2 raised to the power 1, 3 raised to the power 3 and 5 raised to the power 1. Okay, if you want then you can put the power 1 and if you don't then there is no need to put the power as 1. Okay. Now, the third and the fourth part is for homework. I move to the fifth question. So, what you have to do in the fifth question? The fifth question is you have to simply simplify. So question number fifth is simplify. The first part is 2 raised to the power 5 raised to the power 2 multiply 7 raised to the power 3 divided by 8 raised to the power 3 multiply by 7. Okay. Now, you know if there is a power in power, then you have to multiply it. So it is 2 raised to the power 10 multiply 7 raised to the power 3. Again, 8 raised to the power 3 and multiply by 7. Now the base is same here and it is in the division. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the powers. So 2 raised to the power 10 multiply 7 raised to the power 2 divided by 8 raised to the power 3. Okay. There is one method. Okay. What can you do? There is a 2. How many times? 10 times. Okay. So you can put 2 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 raised to the power 2 as it is. Divided by, now 8 how many times? 3 times. Now you can divide it. 2 4s are 8. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. It means you can divide 3 2 by 8. 3 2 by 8. So what you get? Only 2 multiply 2 raised to the power 1 and 7 raised to the power. So the answer is 2 multiply 7 raised to the power 2. You can simplify it also. So 2 multiply 7 7s are 49. So it is 98. So the answer is 98. Okay, there is one more method. What can you do here? It is 2 raised to the power 10 now. 2 raised to the power 10 multiply 7 raised to the power 2 and 8 raised to the power 3. You already know that the 8 is the power of 2 and how many times? 3 times. Yeah. So 2, 10 as it is, 7 raised to the power 2 as it is. Now I change the 8 as the 2 power. So 2 raised to the power 3 and the 3 is already there. So it is 2 raised to the power 10 multiply 7 raised to the power 2 and if the power is power again, then you can multiply it. So 2 3 3 is a 9. Now the base is same and the powers is in division. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the powers. So it is 2 one time and 7 two times. So you get the same answer, that it is 98. Okay. Now I move to the second question, means second part. 25 multiply by 5 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 raised to the power 8 divided 10 raised to the power 3 multiply by 3 raised to the power 4. Now you can simplify here because the base is same t and t and it is in the division part. So you have to subtract the powers, right? So it is 25 multiply 5 5 is 25 again. 10 raised to the power 3, it means 10 3 times. Now you can subtract the powers, so it is 3 raised to the power 4. Now divided, 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. Again by 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Again by 5, 5 2s are 10. Yeah. So the answer is 5 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 2. How many times? 3 times. It means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 5 t raised to the power 4 divided by 8. Now the third part. Third part is 3 raised to the power 5 multiply 10 raised to the power 5 multiply by 25 divided by 5 raised to the power 7 multiply 6 raised to the power 5. Now what can you do? If you want, then you can expand 3 5 times, 6 5 times, 10 5 times and this one. Okay. So I put 3 raised to the power 5 as it is. Now it is 5. Sorry, 10 raised to the power 5. Okay. In the base, it is 5 and 6. So what can I do? I can change it in the 2 and 5. 2 5 is a 10, right? The power is same. Here, the 25, I change the 5 and 5 to raised to the power 2. Again here, 5 raised to the power 7. Now 6 is here. So 6 you can change 2 3s are 6. The 5 is same, right? Now 3 raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power 5, 5 raised to the power 5, 5 raised to the power 2. Means in this step, what I do? I open the brackets. Okay. Now 3 raised to the power 5 and 3 raised to the power 5 is same. Now 5 and 5 is same here, means the base is same. So what you have to do, you have to add the powers. So 5 plus 2, that it is 7, and 5 7 is here. So you can cancel it. Now 2 and 2 and 5 is same. So you can cancel it. So the answer is 1. Okay. Now students, if you have any problem, I think this exercise is completed right now. Okay. So in the next class, I move to the next exercise 11.3. Okay. After in the next class, I move to the 11.3. And if you have any problem, then you can drop a comment. Okay, students, bye bye.